The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to innovation. Bitcoin started it all, revolutionizing the way we think about money and transactions. It introduced the concept of a decentralized currency, free from the control of any single entity. This was a groundbreaking shift that laid the foundation for a new financial ecosystem. Ethereum brought us smart contracts, enabling programmable transactions and decentralized applications. This innovation opened up a world of possibilities, allowing developers to create complex financial instruments and applications that operate without intermediaries. But PiNetwork is doing something different. It's making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just tech-savvy individuals or those with significant financial resources. By leveraging the power of mobile technology, PiNetwork is democratizing access to cryptocurrency. It's putting the power in the hands of everyday people. No longer do you need expensive hardware or deep technical knowledge to participate in the crypto revolution. With PiNetwork, all you need is a smartphone. PiNetwork is a mobile-first cryptocurrency. This means that its entire ecosystem is designed to be accessible and user-friendly on mobile devices, making it easy for anyone to get involved. It allows users to mine Pi coins using their smartphones. This is a game-changer because it lowers the barrier to entry significantly. Traditional mining setups are costly and consume a lot of energy, but PiNetwork's approach is both economical and environmentally friendly. Traditional cryptocurrency mining requires expensive equipment and consumes vast amounts of energy. This has made it inaccessible to many and has raised environmental concerns. PiNetwork changes the game by offering a sustainable and inclusive alternative. It allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in the mining process, making cryptocurrency more accessible than ever before. Founded in 2019, PiNetwork has experienced explosive growth. In just a few years, it has built a vibrant community of users who are passionate about the potential of this new form of digital currency. It now boasts a global community of over 60 million users. This rapid expansion is a testament to the platform's appeal and the growing interest in accessible cryptocurrency solutions. This is a testament to the platform's vision. The founders of PiNetwork have a clear goal: to create a more inclusive and accessible financial system that empowers individuals around the world. PiNetwork is building a more inclusive and accessible financial future. By leveraging mobile technology, it is breaking down barriers and making it possible for anyone, anywhere, to participate in the digital economy. The cryptocurrency landscape is evolving. New technologies and innovative platforms like PiNetwork are driving this change, creating new opportunities and reshaping the financial world. PiNetwork is at the forefront of this evolution. It is leading the charge in making cryptocurrency more accessible and user-friendly, paving the way for a new era in digital finance. It is challenging the status quo. It is empowering individuals by giving them the tools they need to participate in the digital economy, regardless of their background or financial situation, and it is shaping the future of finance. By making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, PiNetwork is not just changing the way we think about money, it is creating a more inclusive and equitable financial system for all. Dr. Nicolas Kokkails is the driving force behind PiNetwork. He is a Stanford PhD. His focus is on distributed systems and human-computer interaction. Kokkails is a pioneer in his field. He has dedicated his career to democratizing technology. Kokkails' vision for PiNetwork is ambitious. He wants to create a world where everyone has access to cryptocurrency. He believes that cryptocurrency can empower individuals. It can give them control over their finances. Kokkails' leadership has been instrumental in PiNetwork's success. He has assembled a team of talented engineers and entrepreneurs. Together they are building a revolutionary platform. PiNetwork is poised to transform the financial landscape. Consensus 2025 is one of the biggest events in the cryptocurrency calendar. Held annually, it attracts thousands of participants from all over the world, including developers, investors, and enthusiasts who are passionate about the future of digital currencies. It brings together industry leaders, innovators, and investors. These are the people who are shaping the future of the financial world, and their interactions here can lead to groundbreaking collaborations and innovations. This year, PiNetwork is taking center stage. With its growing community and innovative approach to cryptocurrency, PiNetwork is capturing the attention of many. Dr. Nicolas Kokkails is a keynote speaker. His insights and vision have been instrumental in the development of PiNetwork, and his presence here underscores the importance of this event. Kokkails' presence at Consensus 2025 is significant. It highlights the growing influence of PiNetwork in the cryptocurrency space and signals a new era for the project. It marks PiNetwork's arrival as a major player in the cryptocurrency space. The team's hard work and dedication are paying off, and this moment is a testament to their efforts. Kokkails will have a global platform. This is an opportunity for him to share the vision and potential of PiNetwork with a worldwide audience. He will share his vision for the future of PiNetwork. This includes plans for further development, new features, and how PiNetwork aims to revolutionize the way we think about digital currency. This is a defining moment for PiNetwork. The announcements and presentations made here could set the stage for the next phase of its journey. The eyes of the cryptocurrency world are watching. Media coverage and industry attention are focused on what PiNetwork will unveil. Kokkails' presentation could have a major impact. His words and ideas could inspire new projects and collaborations within the industry. It could shape the future of PiNetwork. The roadmap and strategies discussed will be crucial for its growth and adoption. It could even influence the direction of the entire cryptocurrency industry. The innovations and ideas presented here have the potential to redefine the landscape of digital currencies for years to come. PiNetwork is breaking down barriers to entry in the cryptocurrency world. It uses a unique mining model. This model is designed for accessibility. It allows anyone with a smartphone to participate. Traditional cryptocurrency mining is energy-intensive. It requires specialized hardware. This limits participation to those with technical expertise and financial resources. PiNetwork's approach is different. PiNetwork's mining model is based on trust. Users form security circles. They vouch for each other's legitimacy. This builds a secure network. It also allows users to mine Pi coins without consuming excessive energy. Section 5. From enclosed ecosystem to open network, a giant leap forward. PiNetwork has reached a major milestone. It has transitioned from an enclosed ecosystem to an open network. This is a significant development. It opens up a world of possibilities for PiNetwork and its users. Previously, PiNetwork operated within a closed loop. Transactions were limited to the PiNetwork ecosystem. The open network changes everything. It allows for integration with external blockchains and financial systems. This transition is crucial for PiNetwork's future growth. It paves the way for mainstream adoption. It allows businesses and developers to integrate PiNetwork into their platforms. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. PiNetwork's soaring trajectory, market data and future projections. In this section, we will delve into the impressive market performance of PiNetwork's native cryptocurrency, Pi, and explore the future projections that have analysts and investors buzzing with excitement. PiNetwork's native cryptocurrency, Pi, has been making waves in the market. Since its inception, Pi has garnered significant attention due to its unique approach to mining and its strong community support. This has translated into a growing interest from both retail and institutional investors. Its price has been steadily increasing, reflecting the growing confidence in its potential. Over the past few months, Pi has shown a remarkable upward trend, which has caught the eye of many market watchers. Analysts are optimistic about its future potential. They believe that Pi's innovative technology and strong user base provide a solid foundation for continued growth. Many experts are forecasting significant gains in the coming years. As of April 19, 2025, Pi is trading at 64.22 cents. This price point represents a substantial increase from its initial trading value, highlighting the growing market confidence in Pi. It has shown a daily growth of 5.88%. This consistent daily growth rate is a strong indicator of the positive momentum that Pi is experiencing in the market. Technical indicators suggest a bullish trend. Various technical analysis tools, including moving averages and relative strength index, point towards a continued upward trajectory for Pi. Some experts believe that Pi could reach $10 or more in the near future. This optimistic projection is based on the current market trends and the increasing adoption of Pi in various sectors. Several factors contribute to Pi's positive outlook. These include its innovative technology, strong community support, and strategic partnerships that are helping to drive its adoption and integration into the broader financial ecosystem. The transition to an open network is a major catalyst. This move is expected to enhance Pi's functionality and accessibility, making it more attractive to a wider range of users and investors. Increased institutional adoption and partnerships are also driving growth. Major financial institutions and corporations are beginning to recognize the potential of Pi, leading to increased investment and collaboration opportunities. PiNetwork is well positioned for continued success. With its strong foundation, innovative approach, and growing market presence, Pi is poised to become a major player in the cryptocurrency space. The future looks bright for PiNetwork and its community. Section 7. A global phenomenon, PiNetwork's expanding reach. PiNetwork is a global phenomenon. It has garnered a massive following worldwide. Millions of users are actively engaging with the platform. Businesses are starting to accept Pi as payment. South Korea has emerged as a hotbed for PiNetwork adoption. Hundreds of businesses across the country are now accepting Pi. This real-world adoption is a testament to the growing utility of Pi cryptocurrency. PiNetwork's global reach is a testament to its vision. It is creating a more inclusive and accessible financial system. It is connecting people across borders, and it is empowering individuals through cryptocurrency. Section 8. Building trust and transparency. Addressing community concerns. PiNetwork has faced its share of criticism. Some community members have raised concerns about transparency and communication. The core team is actively addressing these concerns. Kokkails' presence at Consensus 2025 provides an opportunity to address these issues head-on. He can engage with the community. He can provide updates on the project's progress. He can reiterate the team's commitment to transparency. Building trust is essential for any cryptocurrency project. PiNetwork is taking steps to strengthen its relationship with the community. Open communication and transparency are key to building a sustainable and thriving ecosystem. Section 9. Shaping the future of finance. PiNetwork's vision for Web3, integration. PiNetwork is not just another cryptocurrency, it is a movement. It is building a more equitable and accessible financial future. It is leveraging the power of Web3 to empower individuals. Web3 is the next iteration of the internet. It is decentralized, secure, and user-centric. PiNetwork is at the forefront of Web3 adoption. It is integrating its platform with other Web3 technologies. PiNetwork's vision is ambitious. It wants to bridge the gap between Web3 and traditional finance. It wants to create a world where everyone has access to financial services. PiNetwork is shaping the future of finance.